So first, you put a 1 teaspoon here, 1 little teaspoon of spoon. And there's like that, and 1.5, maybe 1.5 teaspoon. You put there in a little bit jar, and put a little bit of hot water, a little bit, little by little water, little, and then you mix it well. Make sure there's no solid powder in there. Yeah. A little bit. Yes. Little bit water. Yes. The right thickness of the right thickness is like this. This is the portable syringe, and if you want to buy a quality syringe, you may check in Lazada or Shopee. You buy this set. This is much better syringe. Okay, and then I put a little bit of water, and then there's a excess handfeed formula in her mouth. You clean them, and this is your first step. Same procedure. You put your finger here, and then you open her mouth like this, and then make sure the hose is in the center, and then give a little bit push in your syringe, and then there you go. And that's it. Make sure make sure you give it again and again until the formula is empty. Yes. And then again. And like this. Then again, you open the mouth, and then you give it like that. And same procedure. And same procedure. And then you make a check like that, and then you give it again. Make sure in the center like that. Okay, same procedure, and again you give it until the formula is empty. Same procedure. And that's it. I will finish this like that. And then try again. Like that. And then try again. This is a last drop of the formula. It's empty. Okay, I think it's done. And then you give it to your bird like this. Okay, like that. And the formula is empty. Okay, you make sure that you make this again and again until the formula is empty, like that. Okay, that's it. And you clean her mouth every time you finish your hand feeding in your bird. You clean her mouth. And when you're done, you put here in a little box, plastic box, and there's wood chips there in the screen plastic, and done. You're done. You feed your hand feed.